Hi students, let's look at this question here, which is on factor theorem and remainder theorem, I believe. So these two expressions leave the same remainder when it's divided by x plus a. So I'm going to let this be px, okay, and this is qx. All right, so essentially the remainder when it's divided by minus a is minus a is equals to q minus a. All right, so just let px be that. So let's find the two possible value. I think this is pretty okay. So what we're gonna do is actually we're just gonna put minus a cube minus 2 minus a square minus 3 minus a minus 11 equals to minus a cube minus a square minus 9. All right, so once this is done, what we're gonna do is just gonna expand. Then we just solve this. This is a cubic equation. So what we do is this is minus a cube minus 2a square plus 3a minus 11 equals to minus a cube. Oh, this is just a quadratic. Then after which we're gonna cancel this out, and what we get is we're just gonna move everything to one side. Okay, so this is a square 0 minus 3a. Okay, maybe I just don't skip step here. This is minus a square plus minus a square minus 9 plus 2a square minus 3a minus 11. So that will be a square minus 3a minus 20. Okay, so this case, if I were to solve this, is minus 5 times, no, this is, I did wrongly. This is a plus 11 here. So essentially this will be 11 minus 9, that will be 2. All right, so this will be a minus 2, a minus 1. All right, just check that. That's done. So we have hence a is equals to 2 or a equals to 1. So these are the two possible value. So the larger of the two corresponding remainder, I'm not sure which will give me the larger, but let's look at this one over here. It would be, oh, the thing now is because we're going to use this, the larger, I'm going to bet that the a square of course will be bigger. So the larger remainder, p a e minus a. So essentially we're just gonna put p, use q, q is easier. So remainder when a goes to 2, remainder, but both of the remainders are the same, so we just need to pick one, right? Q minus 2 is 1, so it's a negative 2. Negative 2 to the power 3 minus negative 2 to the power square minus 9 minus 8, 4 minus 9. That will be oh, I think this will be smaller than the other one because this is all negative. Be minus 21. So when a equals to 1, the remainder will be equals to q minus 1. That will be minus 1 cube minus 1 square minus 9. I think this will be much better. So the larger of the two corresponding remainder, larger remainder will be negative 11. So larger remainder is negative 11. Okay, so this is a larger remainder because minus 11 is larger, right? So this is larger. Okay, then negative 21. So that's how I do this question here. If you have any question, please do let me know and I'll see you in the next question.